Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which I will show you how to draw a beautiful tulip step by step. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Begin by sketching a U-shaped curve for the base of the tulip's petal. This will form the bottom of the flower. Now draw two more curved lines on either side of the U shape pointing toward the center. These lines will be the side petals. Make them slightly rounded at the top to give it tulip its signature shape. Next, add a petal in the middle by drawing a curved lines from one side of the tulip to the other. These petals should overlap the two sides petals slightly. Below the flower, draw a long, slightly curved lines downward for the stem. Then add a parallel line next to it to complete the stem. Now draw two long lines, curved leaves on each side of the stem. Tulip leaves are long and pointed, so let them curve gracefully outward. Add some fine lines to the petal for texture and lightly shade the edges to create depth. Shade the stem and leaf to give your tulip a realistic look. And there you have it, a beautiful tulip. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring art tutorials. Thanks for drawing with me and don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials.